For years I've roamed each lane and street, chasing your trace, my heart's heartbeat. I know it too well, with love so true. I've done myself a wrong through you. For years I've built a castle of sand, hoping one day you gently land and step inside. Oh, love so wide, the ocean's queen in her own tide. With every breath, the castle of sand, hoping one day you'll gently land and step inside. Oh, love so wide, the ocean's queen in her own tide. With every breath that's not from me, you shake my walls so constantly. This house must fall, break down, decay, when tears like yours pour night and day. The scent that drifts from your soft hair should ride the winds that fill the air. Now wreck the world like you did mine, and may your home in peace still shine. I plan to shout, to raise your name, yeah, whispered it with tender flame. I told the breeze your name one day, and showed the world my soul's dismay. Each day the sky with reddened eyes creates a storm where silence dies. It knows as I do, deep and true, I've done myself a wrong through you.